particular seminar, I am going to address three things. One, the emerging trends in Oracle database, or specifically Oracle. Previously, when Oracle is said, they always say Oracle database. But now you know, there are a lot of other areas in Oracle there. So I am saying that the first part here is the emerging trends in Oracle. That we are going to see first. Second, the importance of certification in a job market or a career market. The third one is how to prepare for this. These are the three things what we are going to address now. The main part is not all the three, the main part is your discussion. Got it? So let us start this. So, Oracle University is one of the core group of Oracle. So we have a limited resource of around 200 technocrats. The main job of Oracle University is, we know that, let's say Wipro purchasing some 500 database license, and we are the one who impart training to Wipro. That is, goes with the license. Apart from this, we also get a call from across the globe or within India to conduct training on the specific technology. It can be a database administration, or an application developer, or a data warehousing field, or it can be a Java, or it can be anything. So I am particularly coming from this Oracle University, where I do conduct training specifically on complete DBA suite, plus my specialization is on data warehousing and business intelligence. Okay. So this is the agenda there. We are going to see some screenshots of the statistics of the importance of Java skills in the current job market. When you want to be an Oracle technology professional, what is there available for you? That is the second point we are going to discuss. Then the importance of Oracle certification, how to go about preparing it. So those things what we are going to check it. Finally, I will give you some of the very useful reference for you to prepare by yourself. Okay. So Oracle, as I was explaining, Oracle is having a lot of products with it. When Larry Ellison gave an interview some 5 years before, he said one thing, you still remember that. He said, we never write check, we only write code. I don't know what time he said that, thereafter he is writing a lot of checks. You might be hearing in papers that he is going to keep on acquiring products. Okay, because the trend changes thereafter. There are a lot of small products which is very good in the market, so Oracle has to acquire this. Let me ask you one question here. Let us say you are joining in one industry, any part of IT industry, and you are good in the technology. You had that particular skills there, and you started working, okay, 6 months, 1 year, 2 years, let us say you have 5 years experience on this. And that particular technology not having any further products, I mean, once you complete 5 years, let us say another person is joining, very new. Within 6 months, he can do everything what you do for 5 years. Yes or no? You are already 5 years experience in this. Somebody joining there, and they are capable of doing whatever you can do within 6 months. Then what is the difference of 5 years experience and 6 months difference? Understand this? So, Oracle is very fortunate in this field because Oracle is keep on improving itself. It is not stopping only with the database. Somebody might even complain, sir, with Oracle means there are a lot of new things keep on coming. One time they say DBA, there is 10G, suddenly they say 11G. Again they say something about data warehousing, and they say RAG, streams, data guard, Exadata, cloud. If it is keep on going like this, when only we can learn all these things? It is not that way. Think about this way. Suppose you have 5 years experience and you are learned up to RAG. Again in 7th year you are completing streams and other environments. Then again in the 8th year you are doing Exadata. Then cloud. By the time you go there, Oracle keep on improving the products. So you can always cite some expertise gap between you and your junior. Yes or no? Otherwise, if you are working for 10 years also, the 2 years experience you are also doing the same thing. How are you going to substantiate your 10 years experience? So in IT industry, you cannot get tired on one thing. What is that? Updating yourself. If you are not updating, you are outdated. So fortunately, Oracle is having that much of experience. There is no particular products. The best part here is, Oracle is always aligned with the latest industry requirement. Oracle is there, almost 70% of the databases running in Oracle across globe there. So they know particularly what is currently required by the industry. Based on that, they come out with a product, instantly becomes success. So if you have that skill set, you have a very good market in the job field. Yes or no? So on that front, the more and more technology comes into Oracle, it is better for us. So on this line, let me tell you the emerging trends available in Oracle. If you want to be an Oracle professional, you must be knowing what is the latest that are available in Oracle. So we know that Oracle is very good in database, the back end. And Oracle is a very proven product and it is very good in Oracle database.